I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Spectre E27 monitor. So this is a 27-inch monitor from Spectre, and you can see it is quite big. It was bigger than I think I was expecting because it's 27 inches on the diagonal from one corner to the other. So it makes for quite a large screen. I pulled up one of my videos here, as you can see how something looks actually rendered on there. And again, it's just quite a large panel. And you can see it compared to one of my smaller Spectre monitors over there. And you can see it definitely adds a lot of screen real estate to go for the 27-inch here. So in a couple other nice features, it does have HDMI ports to be able to plug into a computer. And you can see on the back, we've actually got two HDMIs. We've got a VGA, which is great. And then we've got audio in and audio out and our power here. So you have a lot of different connection options, which is great because then it's very versatile. And you've got your control buttons over here on the back where you can adjust color and inputs and that kind of thing very easily. Another thing that's nice, 75 Hertz refresh rate. So if you're doing things that require like video editing where you need to see, faster refresh rate on the screen, 75 Hertz is a good one for that. And the other thing I really love about this monitor is that it's so thin. I mean, look at the thinness of the screen. It makes it super light, even though it's a really big screen. It's less than an inch thick at the top here. There's a little bit more heft to it in the back, but really this is just a very, very thin screen given its overall size. So that's great. It's easy to fit it on your desk. I use it as a workstation here, but you could use it for your main monitor as well. And overall, just performing really well, working really well for me here. It comes with the desktop mount, so you can set this up very readily, put it up on your desk. It also is wall mountable if you have your own wall mount to attach to it. So great monitor here from Spectre. I'm really happy with the size and the overall performance here on the E27.